Assalamu alaikum, you are welcome to my channel. In this video you'll be learning how to sew this lovely hijab gown. If you remember, in our previous video I showed you guys how to cut the hijab. So if this is the first video you're seeing, I would advise you check our channel to watch the part 1 of this tutorial, which is where I explained how to cut the hijab gown easily. So in this video we'll be learning how to sew this hijab gown. If this is your first time here, do ensure to subscribe and do leave a comment. So I'll start by sewing the mini hijab, which I notched the center. So I'll fix this is the wrong side. I'll open it to the right side as seen and fix the cap. So the cap is also on the right side. So I'll be sewing from the center to the side, and I'll be repeating the same thing on the other side as well. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. Sincerely appreciate you all, and do ensure to leave a comment and share our videos to your loved ones. So we do upload new tutorials on Saturdays. Do ensure to check back every Saturdays for new tutorial. And you can follow us on Facebook and WhatsApp as well. We have a group chat on Facebook and WhatsApp. So this is what you have after fixing the cap. Now I will hem the remaining part on the face circumference. So this is how I'll fold the part I want to hem. Do ensure to like our videos and leave a comment, and if there is any tutorial you like us to make illustration on, do ensure to leave it to state in the comment section. So this is what you have after hemming the face circumference, and I'll be keeping this aside. You can decide to take the face circumference measurement you are working with and then join it down. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So as we all know, face circumference measurement varies from person to person. And if you do not know how to take the face circumference measurements, you can check my previous tutorials on how to take measurements for hijab. I will leave the link in the comment section, the description box. Also, the link on how to cut this hijab will be in the description box as well. So this is what you have. This is what you have on the right side. So now I'll be sewing the hood. I'll start first by joining the center part like this, all the way down. So this is what you have after making the seam. Now just notch this side since it's a curve. So now hem the front of the hood. So this is how I'll fold the fabric. Remember the notched parts, the part we notched when we took the measurement for the hem in front of the hood. So that this is where I'll be making the hem right now. So our advice when you are making yours, you should iron out the hem part, the part where we measured for the hem, so as to have a very neat work and to make a very neat hem as well. If you want to learn how to cut and sew different models to where you have come to the right channel, do ensure to subscribe. We upload new tutorials on Saturdays, and you can check our previous tutorials. We have variety of abayas, hijab, and lots more, everything modest. So all you need to do is to subscribe and leave your bell notification icon on to be notified when we have new tutorials for you. So this part I'm sewing right now, this end part is the side where you'll be fixing the old rope, and it will be the front of the hood. So this is what you have after making the hem. So this is the part that will be attached to the hijab where my hand is. The next thing I'll be doing now is to hem the hood rope. I'll be folding it like this in order to make a very neat hem. Which I'll sew it all the way down. And at the other end as well, I'll be making the same fold. Do ensure to check back every Saturdays for new tutorials, and do share our videos with your loved ones. So as you can see, I made the same fold at the other end. So I have a very neat work. And this is what you have after making the hem. So now I'll be joining the body of the gown, which I'll start by joining the shoulders. Do ensure to check the part 1 of this tutorial in order to understand how to make the hijab easily. So we are done joining the shoulders. So this is what you have after joining the shoulders, and the next thing I'll be doing now is to join the sides of the gown just beneath the hand width measurements. I'll be sewing it all the way down to the hem. This is what you have after doing that. So the next thing I'll do now is to hem the down part of the gown. So I folded it this way. Ensure to make a very neat hem. If there is any tutorial you like us to make for you, do ensure to state it in the comment section. So this is what you have after hemming the down part of the gown. I hope you love this tutorial and you give it a thumbs up. So now I'll be fixing the sleeve of the hijab. The first thing you need to do is to turn the sleeve to the right side, then you insert it inside the hand width measurements, right side facing each other, and run your seam all around. So in my next tutorial, I'll be showing you people how to make this lovely smoky sleeve neatly. I hope you look forward to seeing the video. So this is what you have after fixing the sleeve. So now I will notch the center of the neckline circumference in order to fix the hood and the mini hijab. So the first thing I'll fix is the hood, which I'll be placing it right side facing each other with the body of the gown, and I'll hem it from this center to the end, and I will do the same thing from this other end to the center as well. And remember, your hood would not meet in the front. There will be a space in the front of the hood. If you find anything difficult in this tutorial, do ensure to play it back and watch carefully. It's well detailed and self-explanatory. So this is what you have after fixing the hood. You just place the hood inside, turn it inside, and turn your hijab to the right side, then insert it inside the hood this way. The space between the two hood, there is a notched part there. That is where you'll be placing your hijab, and you sew it from the notched part all around to meet at that same point as well. Do ensure to watch this video over and over again if you find anything difficult. This is what you have after fixing the hijab. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial and if you find it interesting, do ensure to give it a thumbs up. So now I'll make an opening here on the hood, ensuring that it's only appearing in the front. You cut just the front fabric, and this is what the front looks like while the back is closed. So the opening I made, that is where I'll be fixing the hood rope. The hood rope, is it hoodie or hood? So do ensure to check back every Saturday for new tutorial. Remember, in our next video I'll be showing you how to make the smoky sleeve easily. Thanks for watching.